Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome back to another video. So as you can tell by the title, today we are going to be talking about P&G Good every day. So most of us are just familiar with this website as just a place to go and print coupons, but I'm here to share with you that they have and they offer us so much more than that. So P&G Good every day believes in doing more together, not just for us, but for our families, the community, and of course, the world. So they are a consumer rewards program that allows us to turn our everyday actions into acts of good. Let's go ahead and take a look at their website. As you can see, I have already signed in. I encourage you guys to become a member of the website. That way you can have access to all of these perks and rewards they offer. So as you can see, we can earn points, we can earn rewards, we can read about good news, make an impact, and of course, print coupons to purchase brands that we know and love to engage with to help drive positive change. As you can see right here, all we have to do is earn and they'll donate. To earn, all you have to do is either sign up, you'll receive 25 points. You can take a survey. Every survey you take, you'll receive 25 points. And of course, scanning receipts, and you can receive up to 250 points. And that's 50 points per every P&G item that you purchase. As you can see here, I have 525 points available. Again, take surveys, scan your receipts, and you can even refer a friend to earn 50 points. As you can see, we have gift cards here, calls, donations, sweepstakes entries, which we will get into a little bit further, and digital subscriptions. Let's look into gift cards to see what we can actually redeem our points for as far as gift cards go. So I see 25 points for a 3-month My Panera subscription, 750 points for a $10 restaurant.com e-gift card. We have a gift card for a hotel, Taco Bell, Dunkin' Donuts, Domino's, Starbucks. We all love Starbucks, guys. So as you can see here, we have choices that we can go ahead and redeem our gift cards for. Let's go into the April sweepstakes as well. Let's look into that. First off, who doesn't love to be entered into sweepstakes? And P&G Everyday Good makes this so easy for us to do. So to be entered into the April sweepstakes prize pack, first to be entered into the April sweepstakes, you'll need to make sure that you create an account. So go ahead and sign up at no cost and start scanning your receipts, taking those quizzes and those surveys, which will allow you to start accumulating those points. So to be entered into the giveaway, you'll need to make sure that you accumulate at least 50 points. Those 50 points will guarantee you one entry into the April sweepstakes that include but are not limited to the Gillette Planet Kind, the Tide Eco Box, the Charmin FCF Ultra Soft, the Game Eco Box, and so much more. So go ahead and start scanning those receipts for all of those P&G items that you are purchasing, taking those quizzes and those surveys as well. All of these things help drive significant donations to causes that we care about. So with all of that being said, P&G Good every day to me means let's do more together, because they encourage us to turn our everyday actions like shopping for P&G brands into something good to make this world a little better. So I want to thank P&G Good every day for sponsoring this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed the video, and I will talk to you in the next one.